Among the top 100 trends to watch for this year is the micro purse. Now, it girls are carrying them all over town, and it may be small in size, but it's big in style. So today I'm going to show you how to make your very own micro purse. So let's get started. DIY by Jane, brought to you by KaiScissors.com for sharp, smooth, fatigue-free cutting. You'll need upholstery fabric, denim, a pair of Kai 7000 series shears, and a Kai rotary cutter, available at KaiScissors.com, an old purse strap swipe from the recycle bin, or you can use fabric scraps, a zipper, and fabric glue or a sewing machine. First, using your Kai shears, cut two pieces of fabric about 10.5 by 8.5 inches big, one from the denim and one from the fancy fabric. Next, cut the bottom of the denim into fringes about 4 inches long. Now the Kai shears are sharp to the tip, so it makes it easy to create straight cuts for the fringe. To create the fringed look, wet the denim piece and toss it in the dryer. Now this part is optional. You can sew on a zipper or use a buckle or snap for the closure of the purse. With the right sides of the fabric together, sew the sides closed and turn it right side out. Now with the fringe facing downward, turn the bottom edge of the fancy fabric under and top stitch it down. Finally, sew on a handle using a recycled purse handle or fabric scraps. Today I'm using denim scraps that I cut into long strips using my Kai rotary cutter and straight edge. Now this purse may barely hold an ID and lip gloss, but paring down to the essentials is actually a skill. So there you have it, your own DIY micro purse, proving that smaller actually is better.